New Oxford Modern English Book, Class 5th, poem Sour Grapes. Word meaning. Mean यानी मिसरेबल एंड पुअर. पावर, ये पावर के लिए शॉर्ट में लिखा हुआ है. रेनॉर्ड, द प्रॉपर नेम फॉर अ फॉक्स इन फ्रेंच फेबल्स. फ्रेंच की जो कथाएं होती है उसमें रेनॉर्ड वर्ड जो है एक लोमड़ी के लिए लिखा जाता है. थ्रो, थ्रू के लिए शॉर्ट में लिखा है. इट्स के लिए TIS करके लिखा हुआ है पोएम में, दैट इज इट इज. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. डिड द फॉक्स रियली वॉन्ट द ग्रेप्स? यस, द फॉक्स रियली वॉन्टेड द ग्रेप्स. What was so attractive about the grapes? The grapes were tempting, rich, ripe and purple red. बहुत अच्छे पके हुए अंगूर थे जिसको देख के ही लोमड़ी उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रही थी. Which words are used to describe the grapes in the first verse? Which words are used in the third verse? In the first stanza, the grapes are described as lovely, rich, ripe and purple red. In the second stanza, the grapes are described as mean, common fruit and sour. What is the moral lesson that the poem teaches us? The moral that the poem teaches us is that we should not say something is bad just because we are not able to get it. अगर हमें कुछ नहीं मिलता तो उससे खराब हमें नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Why did the fox curl his nose? The fox curled his nose because the grapes were high and he was unable to get them. Question number 6. Give other examples from daily life illustrating the saying sour grapes. When the people want wealth and power and they fail to get it, they say the grapes are sour. Answer these questions. Eager he tried to snatch the fruit. A. Why was the fox eager? Answer. The fox was eager to snatch and eat the grapes. Why was he not able to reach out the fruit? He was not able to reach the fruit because they were very high. In what way did his opinion of the fruit change? The fox changed his opinion because he was not able to reach the grapes and the fruit became mean, common and sour for him. Working with words. Write the following in full. He will, has not, they will, you will, does not, I would, they are, might not, they have, who would. Write the meaning and explanations of the proverbs. A bad workman always blames his tools. Someone who does a job badly will blame everything rather than himself or herself. जो कोई काम अच्छे से नहीं कर सकता वो खुद को छोड़ के बाकी सब पे इल्ज़ाम लगाता है. Barking dogs seldom bite. Those who make a lot of noise and fuss will rarely do you real harm. जो बहुत ज़्यादा चीखते चिल्लाते हैं वो ज़्यादा करके नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते. Cross the stream where it is shallowest. Choose the easiest way to do something rather than the difficult way. धारा को वहाँ से पार करो जहाँ से वो ज़्यादा गहरी नहीं है. इसका मतलब है हमको काम जितना हो सके सरल तरीके से करना चाहिए. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Always keep options open and have alternate plan. हमारे पास हमेशा ऑप्शंस ओपन रहने चाहिए और हमारे पास एक अल्टरनेट प्लान रेडी रहना चाहिए अगर हमारा पुराना काम खराब हो जाता है तो. Summary. Once a fox was roaming in the jungle. Suddenly he saw a vine of grapes just above his head. The fox was very happy to see the rich, ripe, purple-red grapes. He wanted to eat them. He was eager to pull the fruit and have it, but the vine of the grapes was too high for the fox to reach. Poor Reynard tried hard to get the fruit by jumping high and low. Finally, the fox had to stop and he took a deep breath. By curling its nose, it said, "I will not waste my time on such a mean and common fruit." He said, "I am sure I don't need the grapes because they are sour." So friends, this often happens with us in the journey of life. When we are seeking wealth and power, whenever we fail to achieve our goals, we say that it was not meant for me. Annotation. It's thus we often wish through life when is seeking wealth and power and we fail, say like the fox, we are sure the grapes are sour. Introduction. These lines are taken from the poem Sour Grapes. Central idea, the poet teaches us that we should not say something is bad just because we cannot have it. Explanation. So friends, this often happens with us in the journey of life. When we're seeking wealth and power, whenever we fail to achieve our goals, we say that it was not meant for me. Learning about language. Find out the subject and predicate. The boy climbed the mountain. The boy is subject. Climbed the mountain, predicate. The beautiful girl sang for half an hour. The beautiful girl, subject. Sang for half an hour, predicate. The man in the jeep had a fine cap on his head. The man in the jeep, subject. Had a fine cap on his head, predicate. A bird in a tree nearby thought it was a nest. A bird in a tree, subject. Rest of the sentence, nest, predicate. It flew down and pecked at the head. It is subject. Rest of the sentence is predicate. Pick out the objects in the following sentence, find the verb and then ask verb what or who. The boy kicked the football. What kicked? Football. To kicked is the verb and the football is the object. The man saw a ghost. What saw? A ghost. So a ghost is object and saw is a verb. The girl played cricket. What played? Cricket. So cricket is object. Played is a verb. 14 girls sang the national anthem. Who sang? What sang? The national anthem. So object is the national anthem. Sang is the verb. Unfortunately, we never saw him in the dark. What? In the dark. तो यहाँ पे जो है saw is the verb and in the dark, that is object. We sometimes let the dog out. What out? The dog out. So the dog out is the object and the let is the verb. Pick out the predicates in the following sentence. The bird sang sweetly in the trees. Sang sweetly in the trees is the predicate. The old man sat under the tree. Sat under the tree, predicate. He listened to the singing of the bird with great joy. Listened to the singing of the bird with great joy, except he is the predicate. He slowly closed his tired eyes. Slowly closed his tired eyes, predicate. He went to sleep with his head on a stone. Went to sleep with his head on a stone is a predicate.